Hey guys, what's up? So, to me, top is share teach files 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first is called Meredith, and it's a 10 color system wide for your favorite apps. This is called Safari Wallpaper. Personalize Safari with a wallpaper. Customize Safari a little by setting a wallpaper and configuring the bookmarks. This is called Crystal Headphone Listening Mode Automations. So automatically switch between listening modes in certain situations. This is called Zenny TV Ad Blocker by StemGrade, one of my buddies. No ads and bypass ad limit tracking, and a block pop-up banner. No need to join group. Added better privacy. Work on Zenny TV version 1.3.8 from repo and from test flight version 1.3.9. It works on iOS and iPadOS from iOS 11 to iOS 14. This is called Fly JBX. You can hide doing jailbreak your iDevice, which basically bypass jailbreak detection tweak. This is called Shortmoji. Adds quick access to emojis and pasteboard shortcuts in a stock keyboard. This is called Emoji Port. Latest emojis for iOS 12 to 14.4. This is called Aquarius. Makes the lock screen player better. So beautify the lock screen player. So you choose from 3 sleek configuration options. Choose the opacity of the background of the player. Choose the color of the label and the buttons. Let's use a theme called Silly Palms. It's my first project for iOS community. It was born to design trends, old and new. Next is called GIF or GIF2NA V2. So iOS respring animations for any GIF or GIF that you want. So next is called Blots. Notifications display as small icons or dots on the screen. Next is called Smarter LPM. So enables low power mode while the screen is off, while charging, while the disturb is active. Hide ignoring the low power alert. Enable dark mode. Estimate battery percentage. So this is your best like low power mode tweak. You have so much of these, all these customizations and features. This is called Launch Damon controller. So it tells Launch D what to do. So this has been getting a couple updates. I don't really know exactly what for or what it does. I just know it's something that you need. I guess something for Cydia to work properly. It's something that's already pre-installed. Just a big thing about this that some people are having issues. I was too when I was installing, trying to update it. I'm not really sure exactly why. There might be like some tweets that break this or that is causing these issues. I don't really know. All I know is that I did it. Some people say it was App Store++, but App Store++, I had a latest version on one of my test phones, and I did update this fine. But I did have side down, and it kept saying like it was an unsupported URL, so I removed side down. I updated this, and I installed side down again, and it was fine. Like side down still works. I just don't really know why it wasn't letting me install this at first. And if you keep refreshing your sources, you might do that a couple times, and then trying to update and launch the Damon controller, and it should work. This is called Spring Artwork. Use the current artwork as wallpaper on both the lock screen and home screen. This is called Batch-O-Matic, and so it's tweets, repos, save.debs, tweet preferences, host files all at once, all in or offline, so you can move them. And I guess you kind of use this like backup, your tweets, debs, sources, all that stuff. This is called Etienne HTML. Allows you to add widgets to your home screen and lock screen. Supports iOS 9 and higher. So it's great because iOS 14 has those widgets and iOS 9 and 13 does not. So this allows you to get widgets on your home screen on iOS 9 and 13 devices, basically. This is called Tiny Widget 14. That's replacement for Sliff if you are using on iOS 14, as it makes the music player much more compact. So it makes the now plain view on lock screen more efficient, works with music, podcasts, and AirPlay controls. This tweak is called Coloration. A brand new tweak supporting both iOS 13 and 14 lets you color all the elements on your device, including all the ones that Apple does not allow. So, yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.